If you have excessive engine and transmission movement when switching gears or putting your car into reverse or drive, we made a video that will show you how to fix that. Check it out and we'll explain what the problem is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a vehicle guys, especially if you have a front wheel drive car. You feel quite a bit of excessive engine movement when you shift your car into gear, or if you have automatic transmission, you put it into reverse, drive or park and you feel quite a bit of engine movement. Stay with us, we'll explain the number one reason that can cause that. If you don't fix it on time, it can cost you thousands of dollars and we will explain why guys. So make sure you watch until the end and we're going to cover all that as we go. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Pretty simple guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information. Number two guys, if you need to buy parts, tools for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Now, if you want to learn diagnostics, how to test electrical components, we developed a special channel, check it out, Electrical Car Repair Live, that have helped more than 20 million people as well. So let's explain what can cause that excessive engine movement and how you can fix it. So every time you change gears or you switch from reverse to drive, okay, it's normal to have engine movement. Some is fine. If you have like a half an inch to an inch, it's probably fine. It will feel natural, okay, because you can see everything is made to move to some point. You can see like the intake hose, all that stuff, because you're changing the direction of the force, so the CV axles will put the tension going forward, backward, so everything will tilt a little bit because you have engine mounts that keep the engine in place and they allow some movement. For instance, okay, we have an engine mount here that's known as a passenger engine mount, transmission mount, and they allow the engine to stay up and not to pass the vibrations to the engine body. But you have another engine mount, one or two, that hold it and prevent that excessive movement guys, because if it's too much of a movement, you can break hoses, you can cause damage to the electrical connectors, wiring harness. Let's check it again. I want to show you the exhaust system, for instance flex pipe. You can see all that moves so much that you can cause quite a bit of damage to your engine guys, to the point that you may spend serious money fixing it. So if you suspect something like that, fix it on time guys. Now let's explain what it could be. Usually underneath on the bottom guys, you will have one or two engine mounts on your engine that are known as a strut torque mount or lower engine mount. We have the bolt removed, but you have a bushing here, you have a mount on the back side, and if it fails, it will be like it's unhooked guys. So your engine, okay, let's move it. You will see how it can move, okay? That excessive movement, that's what can be caused by a bad strut mount, and that can be caused by a failing bushing or a bad mount. And if you don't fix that on time guys, you can cause damage to the other engine mounts as well. So if that is bad, I recommend to replace the other one as well as a kit. Probably they'll go out soon as well. You never know, they may not. But they're not too expensive to get the whole kit, have it done and know that all the engine mounts have been replaced. So that's the most common one guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, you want to see how to fix your vehicle, we have videos that have helped more than 100 million people. Please subscribe guys, we're constantly putting new content that can save you practically guys thousands of dollars. Thank you for watching and see you next time.